Hello folks, welcome to Outrageous ATV Builds. My name is Mark, and in today's video we're going to be removing the governor off the Lawnmower engine motorcycle project. And but anyway, in the last video we got it up to about 40 miles an hour. And I think with this governor removed off there, we're going to be able to do a lot better than that. And I do have a carburetor ordered for it, but I don't know if it's going to make it here for this particular video. But if not, then we'll just shoot another video when we put the new carb on it. But anyway, that's what we're doing in today's video, and welcome to the channel. Okay folks, so we did make a few improvements, as y'all can see. We're going to go ahead, we're going to put the new carburetor on there, and then we'll see what it'll do. tell you folks, that engine is not going to work. I was hoping to get up to about 55, and that engine won't even get to 50, and it's running, you know, you're having to throttle it wide open to get there. And so I'll tell you what we're going to do. I've got a Predator 224 in there that's already ready to go for another project. We're going to put that engine on there, and then that'll let me know if a 224 Predator is big enough for this bike. And then we'll swap everything out. I'll buy a new Predator engine, and knowing that it's going to do what I want it to do. So, but anyway, I hope you're enjoying the video, and let's get back to work.